Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Heather. We are going to be using all of these today. Okay, not all of them, but these are perfect for making banana bread, and I'm going to show you how to make the easiest banana bread. It takes just 5 ingredients, and if you know me, you know that I love to sweeten naturally with just bananas or even just adding some honey or maple syrup, and that's what we're doing today in our crazy simple banana bread. 5 ingredients. I bet you have all of them in the house. Gather your ripe bananas and let's get making some banana bread. Now you see that you can easily make this too. What do you like to put on your banana bread? I love to slice a piece off, and if I want it toasted, I'm not gonna put it in my toaster, but I'm gonna just heat up the skillet and kind of crisp it on each side, slather on some peanut butter, maybe sprinkle on some chia seeds. I love having banana bread around just for an easy carbohydrate to add at breakfast. Serve with some scrambled eggs, of course some green juice, which you can find on the channel as well. I'll link that at the end in the next video. But I wanna know, do you love banana bread? What do you like to put in yours? If you try this one, let me know. Leave a comment down below, thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe because we've got so much good stuff coming that I can't wait to share with you. Bye.